been out of my head. I've been waiting for someone to...
Hi everyone, this is Aimee and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I created and uploaded my last video dahil medyo na-busy lang tayo sa live. But now, I am back again with a new video and I am very excited to show you my home office. As a quick background, late last year, like around November, I shifted from a corporate job to working from home. Since given the current situation, for me, this is the ideal and best work setup para less exposure na rin sa virus. I know working from home may sound ideal kasi you can work and earn a living from the comfort of your home. Pero nung na-experience ko na siya, meron akong naging big struggle, which is setting a boundary between working and resting. Kasi 'di ba, kapag pumapasok ka sa office and you have a usual office setup, and aminin natin, tao lang tayo, merong mga days na wala tayo sa mood, inaantok tayo, or tinatamad tayong magtrabaho. Pero kapag nasa usual office setup ka, wala ka namang choice, 'di ba? Kung hindi magtrabaho ng marangal, 'di ba? Unlike kapag ka nasa bahay ka, nandiyan ang bed, nandiyan ang sofa, na parang nanghahatak sa'yo or parang temptation sila at sinasabi nila na halika, lumapit ka, na ganyan, na nagtatrabaho ka, pero nandun yung temptation na gusto mong magpahinga, 'di ba, manood ng Netflix, etc. Most especially ako, working ako during graveyard shift. So that's 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. our time here in the Philippines kasi yung mga clients ko are from US. So, yun yung umaga sa kanila. 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. yun sa kanila. Yung 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. sa atin. So, malaki talaga yung tendency na antukin ako. So, to keep myself motivated and alive, I decided na mag-effort sa aking home office. So much for the intro. I'm very excited to show you my little space in our house where I work.
You ain't got enough of this fever, I know. Nothing would remain and you don't wanna go, so go. Cause you're picking your place, no time to waste. I wanna love you but life doesn't wait. You can't stay here and waste away. You need to taste every mistake, fall out and get up again and again. Again and again, again and again. I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. And I'll meet you up, I'll meet you at the end. I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. I'll meet you up, meet you at the end. Don't you know what happens to dreams you don't follow? They crumble. You know I can't stay, what you getting so hollow. So go. Cause you're taking your pace, no time to waste. I wanna love you but life doesn't wait. You can't stay here and waste away. You need to taste every mistake, fall out and get up again and again. Again and again and again and again. I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. And I'll meet you up, I'll meet you at the end. I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. I'll meet you up, meet you at the end.
ipapakita ko na rin sa inyo quickly yung laman nitong cabinet na to. So, aside from this is a home office, itong cabinet na to is designated din siya for my other things. Like dito sa first drawer, dito ko ini-store yung mga makeups and accessories ko. So, I love how organized it is. Namili lang ako sa Shopee nitong mga tray organizers na to. So, it comes with different sizes. So, gusto ko siya kasi yung mga gamit ko is na-maintain niya yung pagiging organized and in place talaga yung mga gamit. So, yan. Nandyan yung mga makeup palettes ko, foundation, powder, and then yung mga earrings, bangles, watches, and then yung mga makeup brushes ko. Next na ipapakita ko naman sa inyo is yung side na to ng cabinet. So, ayan siya. Halo-halong mga gamit ko na yung nakalagay dyan. Pero I made sure na organized pa rin sila by using tray baskets. So, sa first layer, ang nakalagay dito is yung mga notebooks and planners ko. So, ayan sila. Ito, ginagamit ko to pang notes sa current job ko ngayon. Kaya makikita nyo may mga bookmarks siya. And this one, since ito yung latest na planner from Starbucks, so ito yung ginagamit ko pang schedule. And then, yan, that's it. And then, sa second layer naman, nandito yung ginagamit ko na Skin Fit Aloe Vera Snail. Then, nandito din yung mix and match bowl na ginagamit ko before sa mga accessories ko. So, for now, tinago ko muna siya. Kasi hindi ko pa naman siya ginagamit. And then, itong tray basket na to, nandito yung mga pang skincare ko and pang hygiene na everyday ko ginagamit. Meron akong lalagyan na nandun lahat ng mga skincare, makeups, pang hygiene. Pero kinulate ko na lang sa isang tray basket yung everyday ko ginagamit para hindi complicated yung life. Nasa isang lalagyan lang siya. So, yan. Nandyan yung toner. Yan, serum. Yung papaw na ginagamit ko sa lips. Meron din akong lip balm. Floss, sorry. And then, yan. Mga pang skincare yan. Lip scrub. Eye cream. Yeah, so that's it. Then, dito naman, nakalagay dito yung mga gamot. So, vitamins, yung Biogesic, essential oil. So, mga gamot yun nandyan and vitamins. And then, ito naman is yung lipstick organizer ko. And then, sa last layer is yung plancha lang yan. Tsaka, ano ba to? A blower. Yung last part ng cabinet is this one. Halo-halong gamit lang din yung nandyan. So, sa first layer, nandyan yung mga favorite kong blouses, dresses, tops. Yan. And then, sa second layer naman, nandito yung mga bags ko. Before, sobrang dami kong bag. Pero ngayon, nag-declutter ako and namili lang talaga ako ng mga bags na magagamit ko talaga. Para at least maalagaan ko rin sila in terms of storage. Tsaka, mas frequent ko silang magamit para hindi naman sayang, 'di ba? And then, nandito rin yung mga cups. Yan. So, yung pamplansya ko ng hair, nandito din. Meron ako ditong pamplansya ng hair, pangkulot, name it. Doon naman sa kabila yung blower. Nandyan. Pero ito, gusto kong i-share sa inyo. Maliit lang siya na plansya. Sorry, nawawala ako sa frame. Yan. So, I'm back. Sorry, binuksan ko muna siya kasi struggle is real. And just want to share with you this travel-friendly na plansya ng hair. So, ito kasi, pwede nyo siyang gamitin using power bank lang. So, meron siyang kasama na cord. So, if ever na yung pupuntahan nyo is walang masasaksakan or outlet, pwede nyo siyang gamitin using power bank lang. And at the same time, maliit lang siya. So, sobrang magkakasya lang siya sa bags nyo during travel. So, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy our mini home office tour. Yun ba yung tawag doon? Pero anyways, I hope you enjoy our video for today. Until our next one, bye!
Shine on me, shine on me.